And there are at least 5 things that you shall make sure you don't do in Ramzan. Out of those 5, 4 are connected with the tongue. What are the 4 connected with the tongue? You shall not do malicious gossiping. Meaning, bakwas ki baatein nahi karna. Time kharabi ke. Oh, you know, that fellow, he played so well in IPL. This is bakwas. What has IPL to do with your Ramzan? And suppose you are watching IPL and you die, you will be raised up on day of judgment that you died in Ramzan while watching cricket. Got my point? You shouldn't. No malicious gossiping. Watching is different. Talking about it. We are talking, it's about tongue. Malicious gossiping. Oh, you know, this fellow did so well. He scored a century. See, malicious gossiping. Useless gossiping. Don't do it. The tongue, keep it in control. Second is abusive language. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 34 and 35. Whoever has 4 characteristics is 100% munafiq. When he speaks lies. When he is interested, he betrays. When he promises, he breaks the promise. And when he is angry or she is angry, they use abusive language. Abusive language, men also use, women also use. They get irritated during the time of iftar. While cooking, they start cursing their girls, their children, their daughter, their maid, and they become very irritated. Abusive language of every sort. See, again, tongue is connected here, right? Don't do it. It will affect the reward, or Allah may even punish you because of it. Third, punishment. Not out of the 4 things connected with the tongue, for 2, if you seek Allah's forgiveness, you may be forgiven. The remaining 2 are so tough. Even after seeking Allah's forgiveness, the decision remains with Allah to forgive you or not to forgive you. Backbiting. Surah Humaza, Surah number 104. First ayat. Wailul likulli humazatil lumaza. Vow to the person. Curse be upon that man and woman who are backbiting slanderers. Or slanderer backbiters. Backbiting is speaking about somebody behind them. Speaking what? Speaking that which is spoken in front of the person will not like it. Backbiting, which is so common now. So easily available in the market. In the Muslim families, in the Muslim society. Backbiting. And more than backbiting, something which is much more dangerous and serious. Surah Nisa, Surah, and for backbiting, Surah Hujurat, Surah number 49. What did Allah say? It is like eating the flesh of the dead brother's body. Eating the dead brother's body's meat. Flesh of the body of the dead brother. Right? What is more dangerous than backbiting? It is called tohmat. Blaming some innocent person of something which actually he has not done or she has not done. How severe is it? Allah said in Surah Nisa, Surah number 4, ayat number 112, that whoever throws a blame upon an innocent person has certainly committed a manifest sin for which they will be severely punished. And what is the hadith? It is connected by Shaykh Albani rahimahullah in his Jami' Sahih, hadith number 6196. Rad Ghatil Khabal. What is Rad Ghatil Khabal? It is the name of a place in hell. Where is it? It is at a very, very lower place of the hell. How deep is the hell?